So here we are on the new Husky. The first time the Husky has been at Chrome. Mikeless today. Going Mikeless. Oh, this is the stuff that is slicker than snot right here. Ooh, it is slick. This'll make you fall. This stuff right there, whatever that is. I'm gonna go up and around. So Dave and I are at Croom after a giant rainstorm apparently. It is wet as holy F over here. On the new Husqvarna. Dave, line choice, my God. So, on the new Husqvarna, and just having a good old time. We're going to the concrete slab again. This is maybe reminiscent of the last time we did this. And darn near got electrocuted. Because it does appear that we are in the dangerous weather once again. I have a slight cold, I think, that I'm kind of battling with here today. Not too bad. Got another race video to produce. Can't wait to get that out. Loving this bike. Loving this bike. This thing, I got first place in my last race. I mean, that's great. Doesn't get much better, actually. I just started doing some stuff now that the racing season is officially over. Yes, it's officially over. But don't worry, it'll start right back up because that's how we do it down here. We ride all winter long and then take off like 1 month for the summer and then ride again. So we'll be back at racing real quick. And in the interim, I'm doing some adjustments to the bike. Did do the V-Force reeds. And I put on a different head and JD Jet kit. The head, it's a milled head. Wow, what a difference did that make? I mean, it is super smooth now. Very, very, very smooth. I think I'm pretty much done doing adjustments. You know, I may be chasing just a tiny little thing with the, you know, snap on the throttle real hard. And I have a part coming for that. Just to get, you know, a little bit of bog on. A little bog from rapid acceleration. But that's about it. That's just about it.